This video is courtesy of BrainyBuyer.com, your shortcut to smarter shopping. If these deep dive comparisons help you pick the perfect gear, show some love with a quick subscribe. So I'm trying to decide between the Weber Traveler and the Genesis E-415. Tough choice. Both propane grills, both Weber, but that's about where the similarities end, right?
Totally. I've looked at both too. The Traveler is all about portability, right? Compact, easy to move around.
Exactly. It's only 32 pounds, and they say it fits easily in a car trunk. Dimensions are around 42x43x 37 inches. Perfect for camping or tailgating. The Genesis E-415, on the other hand,
Is a beast. 205 pounds. It's definitely staying put on the patio. Dimensions around 27x, 64x, 48 inches. More of a dedicated backyard grill.
Yeah, no kidding. Speaking of cooking, the Traveler has a single burner putting out 12,000 BTUs, enough for 15 burgers, they say.
The Genesis E-415 is a whole different ballgame. 4 burners. And a pure blue burner system, whatever that means.
Apparently it means even heat distribution. That's a big plus for searing and avoiding hot spots. Cooking surface is much bigger too.
Definitely. Fits way more than 15 burgers. It's got porcelain enameled cast iron grates for better heat retention. The Traveler has porcelain-coated steel.
Good point. And what about features? The Traveler has tool hooks and a side table, which is handy for a portable grill.
Genesis has those too. Side tables, warming rack. Plus, it's compatible with Weber's crafted outdoor kitchen collection. You can get pizza stones, griddles, all sorts of accessories.
Fancy! But that all comes at a price, right? The Traveler is around $449.
Yep, and the Genesis E-415 is significantly more at $1,099. Big difference.
Okay, so Traveler is portable, affordable, and good for smaller cookouts. Genesis is powerful, feature-rich, and designed for serious grilling at home.
Exactly. It really depends on what you're looking for. Portability versus performance and size.
Makes sense. Thanks! I think I'm leaning towards the Traveler for now, but maybe someday I'll upgrade to a Genesis. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.